Hello viewers, in this tutorial I will show how to solve Instagram ad interest option not showing problem. Let's see how to fix this problem. Tap on hold Instagram, click on app info or I button, tap on force stop, tap on OK, tap on storage and tap on clear, tap on delete. Go to Play Store, click on search bar and search Instagram. Update Instagram app if available Play Store. Go to Instagram, click on search bar. Now add interest option showing. Thanks for watching. Don't forget like and subscribe.